What's up, guys? Artillo Boy here. Today we're going to be doing another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ozark Trail $1 piece, $1 knife. Let's begin. Man, I got this piece for around, well, the reason why I'm calling this $1 Ozark Trail $1 is because that's how much I got this from Walmart out there. Yes, when you go to Walmart, you're going to be seeing a lot of Ozark Trail stuff too. And nowadays, it's cost like maybe $2 to $3, but back at the time I got this, I got it for $1. So the handle is made of like ABS with the let's see, checkered waffle shaped design with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines on both sides. Oh, well, technically, one side, all 8 lines on this side, the two sides. Yep, the two sides out there. And then there's nothing on that side. It's a shame that you can't put it for a left-handed out there. And this lock back out there. Push that in, and then you can close it. And this is how you open it. The steel is, well, stainless steel. And it's rather funny out there that you don't have like another screw on there. So let's talk about the size of the blade. So the blade itself is almost 3 inches. The handle wise is 4.5 inches. Meanwhile, the overall size is almost 8 inches. So let's test this bad boy out. I guess the $1 actually beats it. Yeah, funny part about it, actually like cuts through the bottle, which is pretty insane out there. This knife itself is, for a price like that, that's not terrible out there. So I gave the final verdict rating of the Ozark Trail $1 knife basically a staggering 6 out of 10. Now, even though it's pretty cheap, looks cheaply made out there, it's actually not bad out there for a price like that, and a pretty decent cut out there. So that wraps up of the Ozark Trail $1 knife. I'm Artillo Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.